Here at the Yoga Loft this afternoon, obviously a new partnership we formed with them, a good one for the club.
It's a great initiative with the club, having the Yoga Loft on board. It's just it's just good for our muscles. It helps you relax. A few boys do the sweat at classes, which are a bit extreme, but they're not for everyone. But yeah, because they get quite hot, and you lose a lot of sweat and whatever. But yeah, it's a good initiative just to have them on board because, like you said, you can come in whenever you want and helps you relax, loosen the muscles, and get you ready for the games on the weekend and whatnot.
Obviously, you guys back in training this week after a week off. How have you found sort of the first 2 days back?
First 2 days have been pretty full on, but it's good to get back into training. Once everyone got back, we were buzzing to see each other, buzzing to get back on the field. You don't realise how long a week is when you do nothing for a week. So it's good to be back, but yeah, I really needed the week off because my knee flared up a little bit before the Wellington game, which didn't allow me to play. So yeah, it was good for me. I needed everything back to normal. Just needed that 1 week off in the final week of training, just because the intensity of the training was so high and the level of training, like the loads was so high, which I needed to settle it down a bit so I could get back on the field. Everyone wants to play, so each position has a number of players available and everyone wants to play, so it's a lot more, like the intensity is a lot higher, everyone's pushing for positions, but yeah, like in the start of pre-season we had 8 to 10 players training one stage due to other people being away with Aussie team and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, having everyone here, all our signings here, everyone at training is really good just to build up, like the season's getting very close now, so it's good. Yeah, we've done a lot of fitness work in the last phase, but now it's more game based, so I think once a week we have a game, or even less than that, every 4 days we have a game, so which would be good because you always want to play games, like you can only do enough running, like you start to go insane, but yeah, it's good to finally get the games. We're starting to play decent opposition. We played Wellington before the break, but now we've got Sydney and Melbourne and a few other big games coming up, so it'd be good, yeah. Yeah, we definitely need to step our game this year. Like obviously last year we didn't make the final, and the year before that we didn't as well. So definitely that's our main goal, to make the finals. But you really need to have a good start of the season to do that. So we're really everyone's getting focused, and we really need to step it up even in these pre-season games because they're playing the opposition. We're going to be playing in the season. So once you play those games and see where you're at, that's where you really need to work on or improve from. So we'll see what happens.